The 10th steel bridge has been successfully launched for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. This massive 485 metric ton, measuring 60 meter in length, 11.4 in width, and 12 meters in height, the bridge was assembled on a specially constructed platform. 16.5 meters above the ground was pre-assembled right next to a busy railway line. Such milestones are the result of meticulous planning and preparation that takes months. But when execution begins, the results are swift. This massive bridge was launched in just 7 hours. With every successful launch, India is one step closer to its high-speed future.